Number 2b, 3 power of x minus 3 equal root 3 all to the power of x plus 5. Again, I need to make the powers are the same or the bases are the same. The powers in here, I can't play with them. There is nothing to do with them. So let's see the base. Let's see the base. 3 in here and root 3 in here. What is the meaning of root 3? As we said before, root 3, it means 3 power of half. It's 3 power of half. All to the power of x plus 5. So it will be 3 power of x plus 5 over 2. As we are going to multiply half with x plus 5 equals in here 3 to the power of x minus 3. If the bases are equal, then the powers are equals. Then x minus 3 equal x plus 5 over 2. I want to get rid of that 2, so I multiply the whole equation by 2. So I have in here 2x minus 6 equal x plus 5. I will put x on a side and the numbers in the other side. So I have in here 2x minus x equal 5 plus 6. X in here will be positive, will be negative, and negative 6 in here is a negative, so it will be positive in here. I have in here x equals 11. So the solution set equals 11. Exercises 2-1, page 30. First, choose the correct answer. Number 1, 4 power of 3 plus 4 power of 3 plus 4 power of 3 plus 4 power of 3. All the rows that we studied now, there was no adding in it. So I have here 4 power of 3 repeated 4 times. Repeated 4 times. So it's equal 4 power of 3 multiply 4. Of course, this 4 is the power of 1. So it's multiplication now. In multiplication, if the base is the same, so I'm going to add the powers. So it will be 4 to the power of 3 plus 1. So it's equal 4 to the power of 4. The answer is letter B. The answer is letter B, 4 to the power of 4. Number 2, 0.002 multiply 0.05. This one is 2 out of 1000 multiply 5 out of 100. It's equals 10 over 10 times 100 times 1000 equal 100,000. Cancel 0 with 0, so it will be 1 over 10,000. This 10,000 equals 1 over 10 power 4. So it will be 10 power of negative 4. So the answer is letter B2. Number 3, x equals root 9 over root 3. Then x power of negative 1. X power of negative 1, it means that I need the reciprocal of root 9 over root 3. So it will be root 3 over root 9. It means big square root 3 divided by 9 equals 1 over root 3. As we're doing the first term, I will multiply root 3 in here by root 3 over root 3 because we can't write a denominator, a root in the denominator. We can't write a root in the denominator. It will be root 3 over 3 times root 3 equals 3. So the answer is letter A. The answer is letter A. Root 3 over 3. Number 4. If 5 power of x equals 4, then 5 power of x minus 1 equals. We said before, in division we subtract powers. In division we subtract powers. So I have in here 5 power of x divide 5 power of 1. 5 power of x minus 1, it means 5 power of x divide 5 power of 1. 5 power of x equals 4. So I have in here 4 divide 5 equals 4 over 5. 4 over 5, it means 0.8. So the answer is letter B. Number 5. If x minus 5 all to the power of 0 equal 1, then x belongs to. Of course, we know that any number to the power of 0 equal 1 except 0. Except 0. It means that x minus 5 can't be 0. X minus 5 can't be 0. It means that x minus 5 can't be 0. If I make it 0, then x will be 5. If x equal 5, so it will be wrong. Then x belongs to R difference 5. R difference 5. So the answer is A, R difference 5. Third, one, if x equals 2 and y equals root 3, letter A, find 3 times x plus y all to the power of 4 times x minus y all to the power of 4. Just substitute. I have in here 3 times 2 plus root 3 all to the power of 4 times 2 minus root 3 all to the power of 4. We can make it as 3 times 2 plus root 3 times 2 minus root 3 all to the power of 4. This shape we know before from unit 1 is the factorization of the difference between two squares. So if I'm going to make it back again, so it will be first square, 2 times 2 equals 4, sign is negative, root 3 times root 3 equals 3, all to the power of 4. So it will be 3 times 4 minus 3 equals 1, all to the power of 4 1 power of 4 equals 1, of course. 3 times 1 equals 3. Letter B, x plus y over x minus y all to the power of 2. X is 2 plus root 3 over y, 2 minus root 3 all to the power of 2. We are going to work only inside the bracket. So I'm going to take 2 root 3 over 2 minus root 3 and multiply it by its. Do you remember the conjugate? We're going to multiply it by the conjugate. So it will be 2 plus root 3 over 2 plus root 3. All to the power of 2, of course. The first one here, it will be 4 plus 3 plus 4 root 3 in the numerator. The denominator will be 4 minus 3 all to the power of 2. 4 minus 3, of course, equal 1. So I have only the numerator, which is 7 plus 4 root 3 all to the power of 2. So it will be 7 square, 49, plus last term will be 16 times 3, and the middle term, it will be 4 times 7 times 2, so it will be 28, root 3 times 2, simplify it now, 49 plus 28 times 2, it's 56 root 3, and 16 times 3 is 48. 49 plus 48 equals 97 plus 56 root 3. Number 2, find the value of x in each of the following. The first one, 3 power of x minus 2 equals 81. I have in here 3 power of x minus 2 equals 81, which is 9 times 9. 9 equals 3 power of 2, so this one it will be 3 power of 4. If the base are equal, then the powers are equal. So x minus 2 equal 4, so that x equal 6. Letter B, root 3 all to the power of x minus 1 equals 9. We said before that square root means power of half, so it will be 3 power of x minus 1 over 2, and 9 equals 3 power of 2. If the base are equal, then the powers are equal, so x minus 1 over 2 equals 2. 2 will go there as a multiply because it's divided in here, so x minus 1 equals 2 times 2 equals 4. 1 will go to the other side with positive, so x equals 4 plus 1, so it will be 5. Letter C, (32) all to the power of x minus 3 equals 8 to the power of 2x plus 1. 32, I said it's 2 all to the power of 5, and the 8 is 2 to the power of 3. If the base are equal, then the powers are equal, so that 5x minus 15 equals 6x plus 3. I will just distributed the 5 and the 3, put x on a side and the numbers on the other side, so I have in here negative 3 minus 15 equals 6x minus 5x. So x in here equals negative 18. Letter D. (25) multiply 3 power of x minus 1 equals 9 times 5 power of x minus 1. 25 is 5 power of 2 times 3 power of x minus 1, and 9 equals 3 power of 2 times 5 power of x minus 1. So that x minus 1 equals 2, so that x equals 3.